Hello everyone. Let us now discuss how can we solve this problem. Compute decimal representation. You are given a positive integer n. A positive integer is a base 10 component if it is the product of a single digit from 1 to 9 and a non-negative power of 10. For example, 500, 30 and 7 are base 10 components, while 537, 102 and 11 are not. Express n as a sum of only base 10 components using the fewest base 10 components possible. Return an array containing these base 10 components in descending order: 537, 102 and 6. So if you see this 532, right, 532. Now if we want to make this as base 10 components, so for 2 it will be 2 itself. For this from here it will be 30, from here it will be 500. Now 500 plus 30 plus 2 will give us the answer as n itself, 532. Now let us compute 1 not 2. Now you might say that here it will be 2 but here it will be 0. So what we might do a mistake is uh, include the 2 and then include a 0 and then include 100. So we'll add this and get 102, but this 0 is not necessary. It is not needed, right? Now the third example is 6. So 6 itself will be written. Why? Because 6 into 10 power 0 is 6 into 1, nothing but 6, right? So 2 into 10 power 0, and if it is a 0, no need to compute anything. Now it is as it is here, it is 1. 1 into 10 power 2 is just 100, right? So that's what I did. So what is my algorithm is, the algorithm is nothing but S will be string form of the given n. Now I'll go from right to left, and first thing, if s of I is not equal to 0, I'll start with p is equal to 0, nothing but power. So s of I is not is equal to 0, answer dot push back will just push back s of I minus 0, which will convert to a number. I will just multiply it with the power of 10 comma p, and I'll just increment the p, nothing but the power, right? 10 power 0 and then 10 power 1, 10 power 2 and so on. After that, we are just pushing these numbers. Like for 532, I have pushed back 2 into 10 power 0, nothing but 2, and 3 into 10 power 1, nothing but 30. 5 into 10 power 2 is nothing but 500. So I have pushed back like this: 2, 30 and 500. I need to reverse this. So reverse answer array, and at the last return answer array. So this is how we solve this easy problem. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and I have given the code link in the description. Go and check it. Thanks for watching this video.